please use the chat function. We will be supporting you. Now I'll pass over to our team to introduce themselves. So over to you, Jess. Jess, I can't hear you. Is that at my end?
No, I can't hear either.
Uh-huh.
Now?
Yep.
Yeah. Fab. Okay, so yes, as I just said, thanks, Sharia. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining and welcome to today's webinar. So today, as Sharia mentioned, we'll be discussing the challenges faced by multi-site pool and spa operators and our solutions to address these challenges. So at Palintest, we exist to safeguard water for everyone every day. And today we'll be discussing how we act on our purpose in the context of swimming pool and spa water. So in summary, the topics we'll cover today are firstly an introduction to Palintest and our brand new recreational water team. And we'll then talk about some of the problems that pool and spa operators face and our solution to those problems. So firstly, a bit about Palintest. Palintest offers simplicity in testing and reliability in results through 3 key benefits. The first, save time through simple, easy to use testing equipment. Second, to ensure peace of mind with reliable results and responsive customer and technical support. And third, minimise downtime with accurate results to avoid disruption and prevent any unnecessary pool closures. So Palintest has appointed a team of people specifically focused on looking after our recreational water market and our customers. This includes Amy Elland, who is our sales executive lead, and today's webinar panel, which will be myself. I'm Jessica McKenna. I'm product manager for our recreational water sector, and James Lester, who is our business development manager for the sector. So before we discuss our solution, it's critical to understand the importance of testing. So the benefits of water quality testing are numerous. It provides data about the current state of the water and helps to identify possible sources of contamination. It can also identify problems early, leading to faster solutions and preventing future health risks. Regular testing is crucial to maintain water safety. So with this in mind, we're first going to look at a few common issues which we know swimming pool and spa operators can face. Firstly, rigorous and consistent testing regimes must be followed across multiple sites, and it is crucial that tests are carried out at specific set time intervals. Operators also need to ensure they comply with regulations and can demonstrate that internally and externally. And also, a lot of the time reporting is manual through paper records. So manual reporting and data management can divert skilled staff away from their core roles, and maintaining paper logs and collating results can be time consuming. Manual reporting also leaves room for human error, which can lead to inaccuracies in the data. We recognise these issues and have developed solutions to address these challenges. So now I'll pass over to my colleague James, who will introduce our solutions.
Thank you, Jess. Can you all hear me? Just for a check to make sure I unmute myself. Yes, excellent. So thank you, Jess. I'm James, and I shall be taking you through our Palintest solutions. To help pool and spa operators address the challenges faced in water testing and data management, our Palintest solution integrates a number of products, these being instruments, consumables and accessories, data management, service and calibration, and customer support. So starting off, the first of our Palintest solutions starts with the instrument range, manufactured in the UK to our high standards. Our products are designed with ease of use in mind to simplify testing for quick results and minimal training requirements. Trusted technologies ensure reliable results and to understand water quality better, making water treatment processes more efficient, enabling cost savings on chemical treatment purchases. Our Lumisoft photometers pictured in front of you now come in handheld or benchtop format and are all connectable to the Palintest Connect, which is our data management platform. We also supply a very varied amount of visual testing products as part of our scope of supply. Part of the Palintest family, Lumiso Palintest family, is 4 products ranging from the Palintest 3, Lumiso Palintest 3, that's ideal for indoor pools. Lumiso Palintest 4, ideal for outdoor pools or spas. Oh, sorry, indoor pools or spas. The Lumiso Palintest 6, which is ideal for service managers or or service engineers. And finally, the Lumiso Palintest Expert, which is our most ultimate in pool and spa photometric testing system, which arranges a range of key parameters. Each of the Lumiso instruments uses the same optical design to ensure accurate results. The optical design across the units ensures that all the accessories are interchangeable and all reagents are reusable across all the Lumiso range. Our most comprehensive offering is the Lumiso Palintest Expert. This instrument has been designed with key features in mind, such as intuitive, simple testing. The Lumiso Palintest Expert can be used with next to no user training, with the onboard built-in testing guidance, and utilizes a Palintest large designed user interface, enabling users to test and manage water chemistry quickly, accurately, and most importantly, reliably. The Lumiso Expert meets routine and trouble testing needs, with over 30 parameters built in for users to confidently can be confident that virtually all their parameter testing needs are covered. The units are quick testing. We know that users want to get water chemistry from their pools and spas as quickly as possible. So we've designed the units so that they can be quick and easy. The features have such customable favorites test lists, and results are available from only just 4 clicks away from power on to result. Compliance with the Palintest Expert has also been made easier with automatic results stored on test. They include not just the test results, but other key information such as users, labels, notes, time and date stamps, and pass and fail results. All this data can be easily found on the test log and is exportable by USB-C or QR code to the Palintest data management system, which Jess will go into more detail shortly. And finally, we know that these units often get used in challenging environments. So we have designed the units to be IP67 rated and with an rubberized overhead mold, so they can be used in many locations safely. The Lumiso Expert offers benefits to many different users. So we've put a kind of range of a few of the users here that can give them benefits to each of the Lumiso Experts. Benefits to lifeguards and instructors. These people are typically in commercial gyms, pools and spas, probably the ones who are going to carry out the bulk of the photometric testing. However, we do understand that this is not necessarily their main part of their job. However, it is very, very important for customer safety. With that in mind, we've designed the units so that they can be used by virtually anyone with little to no training. We're having an onboard test guidance to take you through all the tests and visuals that you need. This ensures that any kind of test being taken can be done quickly and, most importantly, correctly. Secondly, we've highlighted some benefits to leisure centre managers and head offices. The benefits to them, whereas they may not be using the instruments themselves for testing, they will still have a responsibility to feed back results to ensure that testing is being performed correctly. Now, using our labeling system and tagging system on the Lumiso Palintest Expert, we've enabled that scrolling through handheld documents is now a thing of the past. Being able to easily go through the system and select all results, even on fail, to find out quickly what was done, what results were done, and by whom and by when. All this is stored in the central system, but can also be uploaded to the Palintest Connect and be produced in the PDF report format, which makes compliance even easier. And finally, to pool engineers, these are quite often members who are very knowledgeable in pool and water chemistry and mobile. So due to this, we wanted to make sure the pool test expert could be used anywhere as required. Its robust waterproof design allows the engineer to test in situ or wherever they may be. And it's likely also the engineer will need to conduct many wide range of tests. That's why we've included over 30 parameters in the pool test expert to ensure it covers all the elements of photometric water chemistry testing. The next step on our Palintest solution supplies the support of necessary consumables and accessories. We at Palintest manufacture and supply consumables from our laboratories in the UK for your testing needs. All the LUMSO kits come with a starter box of reagents to help you get started testing straight away. We also supply check standards, there's an example in the middle of the screen, to ensure that the photometers are within calibration. And of course, all the units come with accessories, but should you require any accessories separately, they are available to purchase. And with that, I'd like to pass you back to my colleague, Jess McKenna, who will take you through the Palintest data management solution.
Thanks, James. So following on from the information James has shared, I'm now going to share some details of our data management platform, which is compatible with our entire range of LUMSO photometers. So our data management solution is Palintest Connect. This is a cloud-based data management software that allows you to upload, view, and manage data on water quality easily. The benefits of this include viewing data from multiple sites, from multiple instruments remotely, demonstrating compliance and generating reports for auditing purposes, and activating product warranty and receiving remote product support. So the challenge that we see a lot of users facing in this sector is manually recording results. That throws up issues with data integrity and falsification of results, as well as struggles with being able to inform the relevant team leaders, general managers, or area managers of any out of range readings. So Palintest Connect is our solution to this issue. Measurements taken using any of our LUMSO photometers will be digitally recorded in the instrument memory alongside the date and time of the reading and any users or labels that are assigned to that measurement. These can then be uploaded to our Palintest Connect platform either wirelessly via QR code or through a wired USB transfer, where you can view data per parameter grouped by label. So for example, pool 1, pool 2, spa 1, etc. Red, amber, and green limits can be set so the platform easily illustrates where the data falls within your limits. And this data can be accessed by multiple people, and alert contacts can be set so that they're notified by email when any out of range results are recorded. So the key benefits with our Palintest Connect platform are remote supervision, so you can save time sifting through pages of written records with visibility of measurement results from multiple remote sites. The data log's digital, it's uploaded directly from the instrument to ensure the tests are actually being performed and results aren't being falsified. Using Palintest Connect also means you have an auditable data log and you can download reports for auditing and compliance purposes. Warranty and product registration, so you can also register your product and activate your instrument warranty via the Palintest Connect platform. And finally, using the platform means you can receive remote technical support, avoiding any instrument downtime. So the next part of our offer that I'll discuss is our servicing and calibration. So we know that instrument maintenance is a crucial part of swimming pool water analysis, and we offer servicing and calibration for all of our LUMSO photometers. Benefits of this include having confidence in the performance of your instrument, keeping your instrument operational and in use, which reduces the total cost of ownership of the instrument, minimises downtime, and extends the overall lifespan of the instrument. And each service also renews your calibration certificate to ensure you have the latest compliance documentation as well. We do recommend annual servicing to ensure your instrument continues to give reliable results. And with that, I'll pass back to James, who will discuss the final part of our offer.
Thank you, Jess. So back to me. I'm going to talk just a little bit about the customer support, then finish up. So at Palintest, the part of the customer support, we have a technical support team who are available for any query you may have. Our experienced team can provide expert guidance for all the ranges, tailored solutions, so solutions created to address your specific needs, and can provide training accessories where required. If you have any further questions or require any further information, you can visit our website or YouTube channel, or contact our technical team at support@palintest.com. So in summary, the benefits of adopting a Palintest solution: you save time and resources with a simple use, reliable and durable products. Have peace of mind with high quality, readily available consumables. Precision assurance provided with the confidence in performance through Palintest servicing. Can reduce compliance risk by being able to monitor and testing remote sites with Palintest Connect, and responsive support from our expert technical product and sales team. Thank you very much for taking the time to attend the webinar. We will now be available some questions. If you have any questions, please post them in the chat.
You.
Emma has got the hands raised up. We'll pass over to
Hi,
Emma.
hi. I sit with the team at Palintest who look after the marketing, so we see a lot of queries coming through the website, and so I've got two of the most popular ones that come up quite frequently. So I thought I'd share those with you. So, how often should you test for key parameters in pool or spa water? Who would like to answer that?
Take that one, James.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say that depends entirely on local legislation or regulations in your area. So we'd always recommend you to consult local legislation. If we're talking in the UK, our advisory group PUTAG recommend for disinfectant residual and pH, you should test on open and close of the pool, as well as every 2 hours. And then for secondary parameters such as alkalinity, calcium hardness, cyanic acid, or TDS, that should be tested once per week.
That's what it was. Yeah.
We've got another question here from Daniel. Do you check the standards have an expiry date?
Yeah, they do. So we have NDF check standards for our products. So they're a glass filter. They're way more stable than liquid standards, for example, and believe the expiry on those is 5 years.
Oh, one final question, if anybody else has. How often do you recommend the instrument should be serviced?
Should be serviced. Should be serviced annually from first use.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's another question that has come up. Possible to extend the expiry date for the check standards. So over to you, Jess.
Yeah, we wouldn't recommend extending any expiry dates just because we know that they last the 5 years, and then we don't want you to check calibration if they've potentially gone out of date. We couldn't guarantee the results.
Fantastic. We'll give it a minute. If anyone has any questions, please use the chat function to ask further questions. Stephen, I can see your lips moving. Are you asking a question? For us.
You're on mute. Stephen?
Can't hear you, Stephen. Can you use the chat function, please?
There, he's unmuted.
We can't hear you, Stephen. You can use the chat function if you have a question.
Sorry for the interruption,
Maybe.
lads. I just had another call come in on the other line.
That's fine.
Oh, brilliant. We've got this
Busy-
recorded as well,
busy
so
day.
that's made it even better.
All right, then if there are no any further questions, we'll close it off. If you have any further questions later on, please reach out to us on palintest.com. And of course, you'll have James and Amy contacts, so feel free to reach out to them directly. Thank you for the session, and we shall see you soon. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye to everybody. Bye.